Hi, Sasha. Hi. Sit. 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 Good girls. Good girl. Now. Down. Down. Sit. Oh, over here. Over here. Over here. Over here. Sit. Over here. Sit. Sit. No. Sit. Sit. You took half of the treat out of my hand. Sit. Good girl. Now down. 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 Good girl. Up. 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 Sasha. Up. 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 You go up. Wait. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over, Sasha. Sasha, roll over. Roll over. Stop smacking me. Roll over. 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 Alright, you want this one? Good girl. I'll get another one. Then I'll have you do the rollover. If you will. Sasha, over here. Sit. Sit. No, sit. Now down. 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 Sit. Down. Good girl. Now roll over. Roll over. No, roll over. No, you don't smack. Roll over. Roll over. Stop. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Okay. You want this? You want to treat? Stand up. 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 Gotcha. Stay. Stay. Catch. Oh, nope. You didn't get it. Good girl. You want some food? There you go. I put it on the floor because there was only a little bit of food. Good girl. Girls. You want to do your maze? No, you don't eat out of there. Oh my god, what is happening? Wait, it's stuck. Okay, you know what, that'll do for now. Sasha, up. Up, up. Good girls. Hey, you wanna play fetch? Wanna play fetch? Wanna play fetch with your red ball? And go! What did you get? Sasha? Sasha! 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 What did you do? What did you do? Go get your ball! Go get your ball! She's trying to eat the food. No! No! Hold on. Alright, you ready to play fetch? You ready to play fetch? Want the ball? Go get it. Can you carry it? Oh, she's trying. Good girl. Oh. Uh-oh. She's on the move. Oh, she's on the move. Where's she going? Throw it, throw it. Grab it and then throw it. Oh. Go get it. Did you find it? You found it? Good girl. Sasha. Are you scared? Are you scared? Are you scared? We're getting towards the end here. You do it. That's right, Sasha. What do you think they should do? What do you think they should do, Sash? Yeah, that's right. They should like and subscribe. Stop eating it. They should like and subscribe, Sasha.
Sasha, do you think they should like and subscribe?
Bark if you think they should like and subscribe. Sasha, bark if you think they should like and subscribe. Oh, she's mean. She says no. Where'd you go, Sash? Bark if you think they should like and subscribe. Bark. She runs. Ugh. Let's see you play for a little bit. Hello. Yay, she barked. Bark if you think they should like and subscribe. Bark. Yay. Oh, we're going, Sash. Hi. Uh-oh. Let's back up and see what happens. Oh my god, the camera was so weird. Oh, I'm coming for you! Wait, guys, look what happens when I run. Sasha! Oh, she's chasing. Okay. Oh no! Sasha, don't make us get demonetized by shoving your butt in the camera, you weirdo.
Oh, sorry! I'm just trying to hit her in the body.
Look at him. Sasha, look! Sasha!
Whoa.
Oh, shoot! Hello. Sash. Sash. I'm gonna run. Oh, she's chasing. Hi. Uh-oh. Hey, Sasha. Be nice. Right. Be nice, Sash. Yeah, speak to him. Tell him. There she comes.
There you go.
If you pop that ball, I'm gonna hit you. Well, not hard. I'm just gonna go. Let's go, Sash. Let's go. Sasha, look. Sasha, look. No.
I have to do that so he doesn't kind of eat you.
Alright, guys, so this will be the end of the video. This is another video of our dog, Sasha. And we will see you on the next video. Goodbye. Like and subscribe.